People had that question in their mind, यार 130 kilos का payload capacity कैसे चलाएंगे? Okay, 6th gear, 55 kilometers per hour, climbing up on the ghats. यहाँ पे गाड़ी पलटी मारा है. Hi everyone, Rajiv, welcome back. Good morning. It's about 4 in the morning and we are heading out for a ride today. That's not important. What's more important is we are going to do a payload test on the bike, right? So the manufacturer claims this can take about 130 kilos, so that's what you should take, right? But today I'm going to do a complete test under different conditions, maybe the acceleration, the kind of speeds you can maintain, stability, and what is the payload that we're going to have. About 167 to 170 kilos, right? That's what we are going to do today in terms of payload. So stay tuned and watch this right till the end for a final verdict on how the bike performs and if it's actually safe to ride with this much of weight. Alright, so now we're loaded with luggage and pillion. That's nearly about 170 kilos overall. 140 kilos me and the pillion, about 12-13 kilos of the saddle stays, rear rack, crash guard, and we've got about 15 kgs of luggage. So I just do the math. I mean 140 plus 15 kitna ho gaya? 155 plus another 13, 165, 66 and 6, 168 plus tank bag में थोड़ा 2-3 किलो है मेरा. So nearly about 170 kilos. I forgot the top box, right? उसका भी weight है. अच्छा चलो 170 kilos मान लेते हैं. So the bike is not feeling too different, huh? So I mean, and I'm sure that's because of the shorter gearing, the tall sprocket at the back. So now when I'm accelerating and changing gears and again, you know, going higher up in the gears, I'm not feeling too much of a difference. So let's see now when we go and do higher speeds. अभी तो मेरे को बिल्कुल normal लग रहा है, like 47, 48. No problem. Now let me go to the top gear. 65. Okay, pulling absolutely fine. Braking was absolutely fine. I didn't have any issues at the back before I put the camera on. अभी पेट्रोल पंप है क्या ये? गौरी को पेट्रोल भरना है तो उसको जाने दे. गई क्या अंदर वो? हाँ गई अंदर. Okay, so now we are going to try top gear and see bike knock होता है कि नहीं with all this weight. So we are in the 6th gear. We are doing 37 kilometers per hour. No knocking. चल, I'll try taking it down to 30. देखते. 32. 30 पे भी no knocking in 6th gear. एकदम मस्त चल रहा है with all this weight. क्या हुआ? सॉरी 200 के ऊपर? क्या बात कर रहे हैं? ओके, गौरी सेइंग 200 के ऊपर पेट्रोल दे रहे नहीं है. आई होप वी डोंट हैव एनी इशू. लेट्स सी. Okay, the bike is pulling really nicely with all this weight. So if you see, I'm not facing any problem with the acceleration also. थोड़ा सा कम रहेगा obviously compared to a single seat. थोड़ा सा, ज़्यादा मेरे को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. But when the roads open up, when we go ahead and थोड़ा अंधेरा भी कम हो जाएगा ना, तो भगा के देखते हैं. We saw it low gear में भी, low speed और high gear में 30 पे 6 gear डाला था मैंने और मस्त चल रहा था without any knocking. I could accelerate and pick it up without any knocking as well. ठीक है, तो that's absolutely fine. What we need to now try is the high speed. High speed पे stability ठीक है, suspension मस्त लग रहा है. I've not touched any of these big speed breakers. Like बहुत बड़े speed breakers थे. Not one has touched the bike with all this weight. Like look at the size of the speed breaker. ठीक है, एकदम मास निकल गया. No tension. My pillion went in the air a bit. Sorry. So we're heading to the meeting point where we're going to catch up with the other riders. हाय हेलो करके वहाँ से निकल पड़ते हैं अपन. पुणे से भी कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं. So we're going to catch up with them at our next meeting point. They look like Terminator hands. What? This looks like Terminator. अरे लड़े भी इतना मेहनत मत कर.
क्या बोल रहा है?
I was saying this is like Terminator.
हाँ भाई, इसका फिंगर ओपन,
Oh, it opens.
इसका फिंगर ओपन. वो वाला नहीं.
This is a gang heading out for the ride.
और मेरी इसका बात है.
Dirty off-road patch seems pretty normal. I mean, with the payload that we're carrying currently of nearly 170 kgs, I'm not finding any difference in the way the bike is handling. So bad roads, no problem. Just ensure that your top rack is reinforced well. Pretty simple for the Xpulse. Okay, these roads seem pretty decent, so let's try and see how the bike pulls. Okay, now I'm in 6th gear at 65 and I'm not going to downshift, so let's try and pull it in 6th gear itself without downshifting and see. Okay, there's a slight dip in the road which may help. Not bad यार. I mean, इतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है with a single seat and double seat. देखते हैं और थोड़ा आगे अच्छा रास्ता मिले तो वहाँ आगे देखते हैं. And we won't downshift. I mean, downshift करके तो कोई भी कर सकता है. We'll try pulling in 6th itself. मेलरॉय आज बहुत आराम से चला रहे, नहीं तो मेलरॉय लीड करता है तो फटाफट बहुत भगाता है बाइक. Alright, trying to pull again. Not downshifting, 6th gear. आराम से जा रहा है यार. I mean, all the thing of weight and all, I mean, I don't know. Maybe on very bad roads you should go a little slow, but otherwise there is no problem. I'm not even ringing the bike. बहुत एक्सीलेटर बाकी है. It's only 104. मजा आ रहा है. I mean, no effort. Yeah, obviously not as easy as a single seat, but यार मस्त मजा आ रहा है. There's no stress on the engine. It's doing really well. Shit, यहाँ पे गाड़ी पलटी मारा है. मुझे जैम नहीं करनी चाहिए. होप एवरीवन's ओके. हाँ, निकल तो रहे लोग. हाँ, सब ठीक है. सब लोग निकले हैं गाड़ी से. यार दैट्स बैड यार. बट चलो, थैंकफुली एवरीवन's ओके. Okay, so we're going up the ghat and doing 6th gear. Let's see if we can, how far it can pull in the 6th gear without any problems. Okay, 6th gear, 55 kilometers per hour, climbing up on the ghats with 170 kilos. No problem. There's no strain on the engine at all. Bike's pulling really well. Yeah, little more effort than what you would need if you're riding single with a lot of luggage as well, but otherwise there's hardly any difference, just a slight difference in terms of the input that you need to give on the throttle. Yep, so no problem with 170 kilos as well. Bike's doing absolutely fine. So that was kind of a gripe that I had in my head, you know, what it said on in the owner's manual, right? 130 kilos, but no stress. 39. Bike's telling us to downshift, or it was telling us to downshift, but didn't knock. The engine didn't knock. Okay, I need to try and overtake these people. Bike is feeling absolutely stable with all the weight. So one difference is there, obviously, when you're accelerating in 6th gear above 100, the acceleration goes down quite a bit. I mean, it does accelerate, jata hai aaram se, but it takes much more longer than it usually does when you're single seat. Alright, so we're back in the city. I've done about 400 kilometers exactly today, and so yesterday and today, between 2 days I'd gone overnight. And so what's my final verdict? I mean, riding I've done on bad roads, ghats, good roads, straight roads with pill-in luggage and all the other additional weight, as I said, was 170 kilos totally. So there's not too much of a difference, you know, when you ride with a pill-in and without a pill-in with all that weight. Now the only problem is, when I say a problem, it's very normal, that the acceleration that you feel it goes down, right? So don't expect it to accelerate as you ride when you're riding alone. So the acceleration will go down, otherwise the bike performs absolutely well. Braking problem nahi hai. Bad roads, no problem. The suspension did really well. So net, I mean, while the company claims 130 kilos as payload, I'm sure they have the reasons for doing that. But with 170 also it did absolutely fine. I had absolutely zero issues, no issues, and the bike did well. Yeah, but obviously it won't feel as flickable and as lightweight with all that weight when you're on the bike. So just keep that in mind, but it will do it. So a lot of people had that question in their mind, यार 130 kilos का payload capacity कैसे चलाएंगे, touring कैसे करेंगे pull-in luggage के साथ. तो बेफिक्र है यार, कर लो, बिंदास कर लो. You're not going to have any problems. Yeah, the only thing is that when you're with all the weight and you're on extremely bad roads and bumps, just ensure that you don't go full throttle and bang the bike out. Slow down, you know, go at normal speeds so that there's no additional stress that comes because of those holes and bad rolls on your chassis, right? So I mean, that's about it. So bike did well, and definitely bhai jao, bindas chalao. 130 book mein likha hai, I'm sure they have it to be safe and whatever, but I've done it with 170 when I was cruising also at 90, 100 with no problem at all. Bike mast chala raha tha. It was smooth, no issues. And I'm assuming top speed, if I didn't do a top speed run, I didn't get the roads or an opportunity to do a top speed run, but I went up to 115 max on one road with all this weight. There was a little throttle left, and I'm sure with the given road it would go up. But yeah, that's what I did. So I mean, that's all for today. I hope this answers some questions about payload and the questions that people had in mind, whether you can take this touring with additional weight, etc, etc, etc. So we've answered the elephant in the room, right? So anyway, that's all for today. Ride hard, ride safe, and don't be a squid. There's someone waiting for you at home. Signing off.